Bishop Arthur Kitonga korwa Ekanisa ya Redeemed Gospel nigabasabire abarai b'Ekanisa akoraria omulembe na gotiga kobanchira Abanasiasa Gotumeka Ekanisa Korenta Ogwatananeka asigati ya barai okwana imeya oyugis ebunge ya Kasipul asomoyega obukumubekera egutwa omureverendo moya Vitali Sodor nigo omukonyi w'omugavana we county ya Homa Bay Oyugi Magwanga abasabire abamenyebe county yo kobwaterana n'omujumbe omochore Boydwere ne serikali ya county ya Homa Bay eriyokonyora amagendero nanena mono batie Gotumeka Abanasiasa Korenta chibura buru chingaki che campaign.
There are even some preachers who are using the pulpit to abuse people.
Push the task to you as the church to pray for peace in this country. As we are heading for elections where all sorts of behavior, violence and the rest will be taking a place, I appeal to you
to pray for this nation, for the unity, for the peace, for us to remain as one. Otherwise, if the violence take over, then we are not going to have a country to celebrate. That is actually my prayer. In most cases, as we are witnessing this consecration, a number of people do not understand the import. We are being consecrated and we don't internalize what is done. As they are done, they pass through and we are left to be something else. As we have been told that let us lead by example.